Used ant gel bait containers should be handled carefully and disposed of in ways that prevent exposure and environmental contamination. After completing an ant treatment, keep the used gel tube capped and store it in its original box or a sealed bag away from children and pets until you can dispose of it. Check your local hazardous waste rules because some municipalities require pesticide containers to be taken to a hazardous waste facility or a special collection event. Contact your local waste authority or look up their guidance online by entering your city and the phrase hazardous household waste. Never rinse gel containers into sinks, toilets, storm drains, or onto soil, since that spreads the active ingredient into waterways and the environment. If your local rules allow disposal with regular trash, then triple check the label for any container-specific instructions, then place the sealed container in the trash inside a sturdy bag and drop it into the bin so it is not loose or accessible. If the manufacturer or local recycling program accepts the packaging for recycling, follow their directions, usually requiring the container be empty and sealed before drop-off. Keep records of what you did for a few weeks in case a neighbor or an incident prompts questions. People commonly throw tubes in the sink or garbage disposal, which risks contamination, so do not put gel down drains and instead seal and follow local disposal rules. Another frequent mistake is leaving partly used tubes where children or pets can reach them, so always cap and store in a high-locked cabinet or out of sight until disposal. A third concern is assuming all communities allow regular trash disposal. When in doubt, call your local waste authority or take containers to a hazardous collection event. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects and maintenance related to pest control and other home needs, and we help contractors find work in their service areas. We also host a discussion community where our members share practical advice and disposal experiences so we can learn from each other.